Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can lock your Google Chrome. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first come over this three dot icon, and then here you just need to come over extensions and then click on visit Chrome Web Store. After coming in Web Store, we will going to search for Chrome Lock and then click enter. And after that there are quite a lot of options, so I will prefer you to go for I will like to go over this option because it's quite 1.1k download and 4.6 rating. So click on that, click add to Chrome, add extension, and after a very short time you can see. So now you just need to come over browser lock option and then click on start now, and here you just need to put your name. So I will going to put my name over here, in 6 digit or 6 word. Now click on letter. So here you can see here is browser lock all options you can see. So if you want to any of do changes, then you can do over here, but now I will going to close these and going to open it. And you can see when I try to open it, they are looking for the password, your browser password. So if I close it and if I click on another time and go for my this browser, and then you can see they are looking for the password. But if I give the password and click login, if I try to give the password and I click enter, you can see I rightly opened my Google Chrome. So this is how you can lock your Google Chrome browser. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.